In this video, I want to show you how to add global ID to your feature or feature class in ArcGIS Pro. The global ID is a unique 36 character identifier automatically assigned by the Geodatabase to each feature or table row to distinguish it across dataset and system. And it's very useful, especially when you have a large dataset and you want to assign global ID. And this global ID is managed by the system, and they are not editable fields, which are essential for data synchronization, replication, relationship classes, and web-based editing. So in this video, I will show you how to add a global ID to your datasets. So to do that, there are two ways, but I'll show you the most effective ways of doing it. Now, when you have a large dataset, instead of doing it one by one, there is a way of doing it once and for all. You just do it once and everything will be done. So to do that, come to Analysis and click on Tools. Then under Geoprocessing, search for Global ID. Yes, here is the tool, Global ID. So click on it. So when you click on it, under Parameter, you'll be required to input your dataset, in this case, Nigeria State. But before then, let me show you something. If I right click and open the attributes table, yes, here you can see the attributes I have in this very data. I have it from object ID up to shape area. Now, when I run the add global ID operation, it will add a global ID field, which is a 36 character ID, unique ID. It will be added to all the feature. Now, let's go back to that Geoprocessing tool. Now, in the Geoprocessing tool, search for global ID, which is this one. Then click to open it. Here, input datasets. Click on the drop down and select your feature class. Then, once you select it, the only thing to do is to click on Run. Once you run it, it will add global ID to each of the feature. Click on Run. Yes, it is done. Global ID has been added. Now, if I close this page and I move to the right, you can see global ID field has been added. And this global ID are not editable and cannot be duplicated. It's very unique. So in case you have a bunch of data and you want to make each feature unique, so adding global ID is very useful. So with this, you are sure that each feature has a unique ID, which is very peculiar and cannot be edited. So in essence, this is how to add global ID to feature in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.